Most people trade meme coins, but I actually dev them. And that's why my Phantom wallet has over $6.8 million. Let me show you how this strategy works step by step right now. You guys already know by now, I used to be a full-time meme coin trader. I was making money every single day until I bought inside the meme coin, and guess what happened? I got completely dumped on, just like this coin right here. I would buy in and then I would lose all my money. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario happened to one of you guys, bro. It's really common in most of these coins. Now that's exactly when I stopped trading and I started deving, because that's when it clicked. The real winners are not traders. They're actually the creators. Why? Because by creating your own coins, bro, you have completely nothing to lose. You are creating a meme coin for completely $0. Okay, $0, zero soul, and you are just waiting for people to buy in, and at the perfect moment or whenever you want, you can cash out. That's how simple it is. And that's exactly why I started deving, because now I can turn $0 into like 1.5 grand, or you know, even more, even less. Okay, it's all up to you, bro. It's the new meta in 2025, and that's exactly why in today's video I will be showing you guys exactly how to dev your first meme coin and then print. And even though the crypto market is a bit down, well, there's still money to be made, bro. Keep watching. But obviously, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Just learn the method but do not apply it. Gap! Now most devs, most traders, when they want to launch their first project, they go immediately to Pump.Fun because they think that this launchpad will make them rich. But let me tell you guys the truth. Pump.Fun is overcrowded and oversaturated. Thousands of coins are going live every single day, and almost all of them gets buried. Okay, you have no chance of making money because your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to even graduate directly onto Raydium, bro. That takes too much time, bro. It's too hard. And if you guys don't know already, basically all the coins that gets leveled up to Raydium, they all get pushed out to tens and thousands of people, and that's exactly why we are aiming for the Raydium decks. Okay, Pump.Fun is not gonna make that happen, and that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because bro, this launchpad is a fucking cheat code. Let me explain why. Now all your tokens will launch directly to Raydium, which will skip the bonding curve and the migration phase, okay, and it will be live for buyers immediately. You get cleaner exposure, you get better volume for your coin, a shit ton of traction, and full control over your liquidity. That's exactly why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping this website, bro. I would do a live example on how it works. Now you've got two clean options to make your first meme coin. Now the first way is to obviously build from scratch a whole new meme coin. Now pick a theme, okay, which is a narrative of your coin. Go on X, for example, and look for something trending. For example, Elon Musk, he just made a tweet 3 minutes ago. You can make a coin based off of this and print generational wealth, okay? Elon Musk tweets usually do really well for meme coins, okay? You can also go on Google, type in news, and then make coins based off of articles. It's all up to you, bro. I personally just use X because it's way easier. But yeah, once you have a narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a quick name, create a symbol, then add a quick token image, and just like that, bro, your coin is custom created after these 8 steps. But bro, the second method, bro, is my favorite one because it's the fastest and the most profitable method, and that's by copying trending coins over and over again consistently. Now these are all already trending on Pump.Fun, every single meme coin here, meaning they all come with existing traffic and hype. They're all going viral basically. You just have to copy them and launch instantly to Raydium and watch instant buyers and higher profits roll in, bro. That's the beauty of copying coins that's already working. Now, thanks to the hype they already built in, bro, I've managed to make a lot of fucking wealth by doing this, and I would do a quick example. Alright, anyways, let's jump into it. I'm going to launch a coin live on camera so you can see exactly how fast this process works from start to finish, bro, all raw without fucking, doing some weird shit. So first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, right, which is obvious. Then click on the refresh this button and let's look for a coin to copy. It could be literally anything, bro. I'm just gonna go with the Mono coin. It has a last buy 7 seconds ago and 30 replies. So click on create coin. Then make sure to ignore the block from Phantom. It's normal, bro. Every single fucking dev is gonna get this. Then click on proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. And then the coin should be, officially copied on the blockchain. You just gotta wait. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's officially copied on the Solana blockchain, bro. It's all legit. The website actually works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Now this page is really fucking simple and easy. We're adding liquidity. This is what makes your token live on Raydium so people can actually buy and sell your coin once it goes live and created. Now there's 2 easy fucking steps, okay? It takes literally 30 seconds when you're going through it really fast. For the token A, just click the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens and you are keeping 100 mil tokens in your wallet. Right under here is for the amount token B. This is basically your first buy into your own project, and by the way, bro, you are not losing any money here. It's just locked into the pool to open the entire market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL though, and once you remove the liquidity later, you will get back, okay, inside your Phantom wallet. You have nothing to lose, okay? It's completely safe, okay? Once you dump the coin, you are gonna get it back. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that is done, simply click on the refresh button right under here. Scroll down and boom, the Mono coin is now live. Your profits are right here though. And if you guys click on the refresh button to check your profits, you guys can see that we're now up $145 USD, which is not too shabby. Now click on view on Photon, or you can go on Axiom or Nova to check the token out. Let me go on full screen for a better view. It should load in real quick because let's see what happens, bro. Come on, let's fucking go. Come on, the coin is kind of ripping a bit. 1.6k market cap. Oh my god, bro, what? We're getting so many buys, bro, what the fuck? Oh my god, we just printed a couple $100, even $1,000. I don't even know, bro, what the fuck? I want to dump the coin, bro, fuck it. Come on, bro, pump. Oh my god, bro, the coin is pumping so much. 2.4k market cap, things are looking good, bro. The liquidity is high, everything is high, bro. Oh my god, guys, this is why I love fucking copying coins, because bro, it's already proven to go viral. So once it is on the Raydium Dex, you are fucking set for life. Come on, bro, we're getting so many buys. 2.1k market cap, okay? This is why deving coins on create tokens.io is the fucking move, bro. We're getting all organic buys, bro. These are not bot buys, by the way, okay? It's organic from the Raydium Dex. Obviously, if you have, a community, you can make way more than this, but it's really profitable by doing this. Come on, $60, $40 right here. Oh my god, guys. I will be right back after a couple seconds and when it pumps. Alright, bro, I am back and it looks like we're fucking pushing all-time high. We're at a 3.5k market cap, 1.7k liquidity. Things are looking great. We're still getting buys every single second, which is a really good sign. $17, $14, that's not bad. Now if you want to make some quick bread, come back to create tokens.io, then click on the refresh button right here. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1.74 thousand USD. It's actually fucking insane because, bro, it took like literally just a couple minutes. Now, to make some money, click on the minus button, do 100%, click the red button right after right here. And as you guys can see, we are going to receive around 12 Solana. Click on confirm. And bang! Boom, boom, boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and possibly make generational wealth, all for educational purposes only, obviously. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1,700 went straight inside my Phantom wallet. Even though Solana is really down, we still made decent amount of money, bro. Now, if you have any questions, bro, about the method, bro, go try it for yourself. DM me on X at Jay.crypto, JFlips, okay? And yeah, bro, good luck.